everyone, I'm Kathy.
And I'm Maria.
And we are the owners of Yummy Chicken Bagong Silang Caloocan branch.
Ngayon, ang trabaho ko naman, nasa sales po ako and currently working and yun nga. Ito naman is additional sa aking income, so kaya nag-franchise ako.
Like Maria mentioned nga, while working, we decided na mag-franchise ng business para at least may extra income. Before kasi, nag-uusap lang kami ni Maria na, business tayo, sabi namin sa isa't isa. So sabi ko, sige, browse ako. So doon lang nag-start ang lahat. May mga other franchise din kaming na-visit and then na-inquiran. And then yun nga, mas choice namin na si Yummy Chicken kasi maganda rin naman yung products. And alam namin na, kasi kahit kami, favorite namin chicken.
Actually, lahat naman sila masarap. Pero for me, as Bicolana nga, syempre, mas ko talaga yung chili. So, I'm more in spicy. Pero kung gusto nyo ng matikman ng walang masyado talaga, and yung iba kasi is 8 flavors kasi. So, pwede naman po yung gravy lang. Pero for me is chili.
Ako naman, mas trinay ko yung yung plain. Para at least makikita mo kasi dun kung talagang malasa yung yung chicken. So, pero ang favorite ko talaga is cheese. Kaya parmesan cheese.
For us, kailangan talaga buo. Like, yung umpisa, hindi siya ganun kadali. Pero I think pag gusto nyo talaga yung isang bagay, even the schedule, ang hirap, lahat na, and then support. Kailangan nyo ng support sa family nyo. Hindi kaya ng ikaw lang. Even may pera ka, hindi mo kaya mag-isa. So, ayun, kaya we decided as pareha na lang kami since, same naman kami ng goal. Gusto mo namin ng additional passive income. And truly, and I think makakatulong talaga si Yummy Chicken for us. And then nakita na rin naman yung market and feedbacks. It's very okay and very good in public.
Hi kay Yummy Chicken. Please visit our store from 7 a.m. up to 11 p.m. We are located here at Phase 10, Bagong Silang, Caloocan City. We are just in front of Kingsmart.